I almost ate it. I think I ate it a little bit. Hey guys, it's Meeee, your HappyB, and today I am finally back. It's been a long time since I talked to you guys, and if you didn't notice, yes, I was gone. And I was gone for a summer program in Korea. It was loads of fun. If you guys didn't see what happened, or if you would like to see it again, go ahead and check out my Instagram highlights. They use so many words for the things, but highlights, they're at bcastro. So it's bcastro without an A in the Castro. And yeah, that's it. Follow me on Instagram too. But for this video, that is not our hanash. Our hanash is, TBH, I don't know if I'm using the word hanash right, a haul. But instead of doing a usual haul, because I'm not a typical YouTuber, no, just kidding, I am. I'm doing a curated haul where I'm gonna tell you guys what the best things I got in Korea were and where to find them. First things first, these babies, these life-changing mother blessings in life. And first off, I'd like to show these. This is from Gelato Factory, and it's basically nail stickers. Shout out to Ma'am Taeyeon for advertising Gelato Factory. You really made me buy it. Anyway, these suckers are nail stickers that you can put on your nails by yourself, and then you can have an instant manicure. You can even have a pedicure because they have the toe versions. And what I love about this is I am the kind of person who doesn't want to go to a professional to get their nails done because I don't want to be touched by strangers. But I do appreciate a cute nail. This is what I have on right now. It's held up pretty well. These are the gradient ones, and I've had these on for 5 weeks. So they're a little ratchet to say the least. That's why I'm not showing you a close-up. But I also have a purple version that I'm excited to use. By the way, a typical pack of the clear nail stickers consists of 22 tips, so you can use it twice basically, unless you have more fingers. And to show you guys how it's done, this is, by the way, the closest you're gonna get to my ratchet nails, is you just take out the clear sticker if you can, and then you can basically line up your finger against the clear plastic. You can even like fold it like this so you can check whether or not it's gonna go all the way around. And then after you selected which sticker goes onto which nail, all you gotta do is file it down, baby. And then it didn't say on the back, but then I went ahead and put on a top coat on top because that's just what my friends did. Super cool. I mean, if you're my friend and you've seen me this past 5 weeks, I have pointed you towards these tips because I'm obsessed. And you can pick these up if you're in Korea in any Olive Young or Lob store. And I got these babies for 9,900 won each, which is not cheap. That's all I'm gonna say. I haven't even like tried to translate it, convert it in my brain. I mean, I could imagine the price, but I just neglect that part, okay? And if you're looking for a cheaper option, nail stickers do come or run cheaper in other brands. For example, I got this Milky Clear Fit, nail fit sticker in Holika. I remember this being about 8,000 won. Don't quote me on that. But it was also on a 30% sale thing, so it was cheaper than that. Also comes with 22 tips, and it's freaking adorable. Next up, I got this, and this one is a perfume that I got for so cheap. Oh my god. So initially this baby was 25,000 won, but since it was in a pop-up event in the Hyundai department store pop-up area, lol, underground thing in Shincheon, I got this for 15,000 won. Oh my god, for a perfume. Anyway, this baby is from a brand called Handful or Handful or Handful. Those are all my guesses. Also, it's Supreme perfume. Oh my god, HappyBs, yeah! It looks like this. It doesn't look very quality, but it smells very quality. So if I'm just reading off of like the scent description here. It has lilac, peach blossom, and musk, which I guess gives a sexy factor. And if you guys are just interested, you want to check it out, want to find out where you can get it, maybe not at a random pop-up store, I'm just gonna leave their Instagram handle down below. And if you're in Korea and you really want to smell this scent, which I recommend you doing, it's number 2 Sensual perfume. And next up, the last 3 things that I have are fashion related. I really trimmed down this haul, by the way, to give you the best. Or at least just the things that make me the most excited, or the things that I think are more worthwhile, which doesn't mean it came from like a big store that is very popular. The next thing that I got from Korea is these babies. I know earrings are just like, I don't know, dangling kinds are booming, and definitely you can find a lot of cheap, easily accessible earrings in Korea, but I don't really get enticed by things like that. So when I saw this quaint little shop in Ewha Women's University, the shopping area there, and I saw they had handmade earrings, I was like, say what? Handmade? Don't you just love it when things are handmade? Anyway, these are the pair that I got. It's 10,000 won, so it's more expensive than the ones you would find in those bigger shops. But I thought the fact that it was handmade and the fact that I really like this design made it worth it. This was a choice that I made. I'm really happy that I got it. They have a variety of designs to choose from. So they have this, but they also have really nice rose gold ones. They even have bracelets that you can choose from. My friend got one from there and it was really pretty too. Pretty cool. I mean, what more can I say about this? And next up, a trip to Korea is not complete without going to A-Land. A-Land is basically the biggest bay of the block when it comes to fashion. That's it, fashion, maybe beauty. You can get Cosrx in A-Land, but another great thing that you get in A-Land is vintage clothes, like high quality, pretty, in a nice, not sketchy area vintage clothes. So this top I got from the Myeongdong A-Land branch. The top floor is the vintage floor. In there they have a lot of name brands like Burberry, Champion, and then everything else I forgot. But I went for a really, you know, just choice because it reminds me of my Filipino teacher. Na-na-na-na. That fabric ASMR, what? And it has these breast details that are lace. And they kind of remind me of a flower that's abstract. And also the buttons are super nice. They're these plastic, looks like wood buttons that are big and bold. And the best thing about it is, you know what, the fit. This was, I remember, 24,000 won. Once again, not the cheapest. And last but not least, this is one of my favorite things that I got that I haven't worn yet. I love Meeee shoe. They look like this. Yes. So many buckles, so many straps. Leather that's almost patent but isn't. I forgot what that's called, but it's shiny-ish. And it looks like this. Look at that heel. It's nice and chunky. It goes out a little bit like this. It's not a straight heel. It's a good relative height and it's beautiful. Anyway, these babies were the last pair in the shop. And the shop was called Around the Corner in Garusugil. So, I mean, if you guys go to Garusugil, you're probably gonna see it anyway. Pop in that store. They have a lot of cool, more expensive stuff, but it's okay. I mean, if you buy just one thing, it's fine, right? I feel like I've lost my YouTube mojo. Like I'm saying not a lot of things. This is hard. This is hard, guys. And yep, I got these for 30,000 won. More expensive than others, but not the most expensive. So, good enough. And that's it from me today. If you enjoyed this curated haul, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more from this channel, please hit that subscribe button. I am out of this game so hard. But yeah, see you guys next time.